Hello, today we're unboxing the SanDisk Ultra, a dual drive USB Type-C with 256 gigabytes. Now let's take a look at this. It's a Western Digital Innovation product, works with PCs, Mac, iPad Pro. It has a read speed of up to 400 megabits per second, a premium metal design. One side has a Type A connection and the other side has a Type-C connection. And it's good to quickly transfer files. Let's take a look at the back. And it shows here that we've got Windows 10 Plus and here Mac OS 10.9 Plus. So let's get down to opening this. So we're going to open this. Instructions to open. Here we go. Zoom out a little. It looks like it's shrink wrapped in here, so we'll have to cut this open. And there we have it. So this is the SanDisk, 256 gigabyte. And if we flip this sideways, on this side we've got a USB-A type connector, and on this side we've got a USB-C type connector. What we're going to do here is we're going to format this and then attach it to an iPhone 15 Pro.
In a separate video. Thanks for watching.